Classic model with a brushed 280 motor, 2 kilo low, 17-degree waterproof servo, a 4WD drive system, 2 range speeds, an openable engine hood, and a tailgate. This crawler RC car is perfect for beginners and experienced RC enthusiasts. Powered by a 280 strong magnetic motor, 112 scale mode model car can reach a thrilling maximum speed of 8 km/h. The proportional throttle steering control method can provide more refined and flexible control, allowing the operator to more accurately control the speed and direction of the remote control car, thereby better coping with various driving scenarios. It has excellent interference-free and supports multi-car competition. Powered by a rechargeable 500mAh battery, providing approximately 30 to 40 minutes of continuous playtime, the maximum distance can reach about 50 minutes. The included USB balance charger with overcharge protection ensures a safe and efficient charging process. The all-terrain RC car features a durable metal chassis and an upgraded steering system, allowing for smooth driving on steep slopes with a maximum climbing angle of 46 degrees. With a large torsion angle, strong torque, and high-quality rubber tires, this vehicle can easily navigate through various terrains such as beaches, mountain roads, grasslands, roads, and rocky terrain. Its flexible performance ensures a thrilling and adventurous driving experience. This remote control pickup promises endless fun and entertainment. It's suitable for boys, girls, and even adults. This toy car makes the perfect gift for occasions like birthdays, Children's Day, holidays, Christmas,